What is this puzzle of? Can you guess? Let's get started and find out. Let's first look for some edge pieces or corner pieces. Is this a edge piece? No. Oh, here's an edge piece, and it looks like there's a cloud. So that must go up here or right here, but it looks like there's somebody's hat, so I think it's gonna go right there. Let's find some other pieces that have blue sky in them. Can you point to any? That's right, here's a piece, and there's a piece. Those go, no. Oh, let's switch it around. Oh, there we go. Which means that should connect just like that. All right, let's find this last edge piece that has some blue in it. Is it this corner piece? No. What about this corner piece? No. So it must be this corner piece. There we go. It looks like there's a lot of wheels here. And wheels are usually on the bottom. So let's put these way down here and see if we can figure it out. All right, let's try to connect the wheels together. Nope, not there. Looks like there needs to be two pieces going out, just like this. It's an edge piece and a corner piece. So we gotta find this corner. Where is that corner piece? Can you see it? Is this it? No. Is this it? Yes. Do you know what this is yet? It looks like there's a lot of wheels, 2 big wheels and 2 small wheels. 1, 2, 1, 2. Alrighty, let's see if we can find this guy's face. Can you see it? Do you think it's him? No. Ooh, but there's an edge piece here. So if it's not there, it must be over here. All right, let's try another edge. No. Oh, there we go. There's the rest of his face. All right, we got 2 pieces to go. Do you know what this is yet? All right, we'll see if you're right. There and there. If you said a train, you are correct. Good job.